A hiccup is characterized as an involuntary spasm. This spasm specifically affects the diaphragm muscle. The diaphragm is located below the lungs and aids in the breathing process. The spasm leads to a sudden and often audible intake of air. This entire sequence defines the physiological event known as a hiccup. Hiccups involve a spasm of the diaphragm. Simultaneously, the vocal cords, also known as the glottis, close abruptly. This sudden closure blocks the flow of air. The blocked airflow results in the characteristic hic sound. Therefore, both diaphragm spasm and vocal cord closure contribute to the hiccup phenomenon. Hiccups are frequently caused by irritation of specific nerves. The phrenic nerve, which controls the diaphragm, is a common trigger. The vagus nerve, connecting the brain to the chest and stomach, can also initiate hiccups. Stimulation of either the phrenic or vagus nerve can trigger the hiccup reflex. This reflex results in the involuntary contraction of the diaphragm and intercostal muscles. Hiccups can be triggered by eating or drinking too quickly. Rapid consumption stretches the stomach and irritates the diaphragm. Carbonated drinks can induce hiccups due to stomach distension from extra gas. Spicy foods, alcohol, and sudden temperature changes can irritate nerves linked to the diaphragm. Emotional stress may also cause hiccups by overstimulating the nervous system. One theory posits that hiccups are an evolutionary holdover from amphibian ancestors. Amphibians utilized a comparable mechanism to facilitate water movement across their gills. This mechanism simultaneously blocked water from entering their lungs. In humans, this reflex persists without a clear purpose, functioning as a vestigial biological trait.